Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Microphone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, we want to go ahead and open up ChatGPT. You might be asked to sign in, so sign into your account. Then from here on the home screen, we've got the option where it says Ask ChatGPT. To the right of that, we've got a microphone and a voice speaking mode. So we want to go ahead and click on either the microphone or the voice icon near the message box. So I'm going to click on this. Then from here we need to allow. So allow ChatGPT record audio. Click on yes. Now we can go ahead and choose a voice. I'm going to go ahead and choose Spruce. There are some other ones as well. Click on done. Now what we can do is speak into ChatGPT like so.
Exactly. Just like we're doing now, it's all
And
about
there we
chatting
go.
naturally.
So that's how to use ChatGPT voice, and they obviously will speak back to you when you speak to them. It's a bit confusing because I'm doing this tutorial at the same time.